Hello everyone, welcome to Come to Talk.
Our next podcast that discusses hot topic without making you think.
Yeah, if you want to be tested, just like to pay the honorary teacher. Today, we're discussing the land is right now. Teacher farewell.
Exactly.
Today we have Miss Anggia as a teacher who represented from the field and Jaron Faring who looks more and more like a professor.
Oh, don't say that. Netizen might think I want to register to be a minister.
Okay, before we go too far, let's discuss Miss Anggia, who is teacher, welfare social and teaching issues right now.
Well, as the Minister of Education, Mr. Abdul Mufti once said, many honorary teachers have minimal salaries, unclear status, even though their workload is the same, and this affects the quality of teaching.
That's right, Miss. Many honorary teachers are still paid below original minimum wage. Imagine teaching math while thinking about installment.
And it's not just saying that. Even Ceramic once said that the root of the education problem in Indonesia is that teachers. They welfare.
Yeah, that's right. If teachers are not prosperous, it is impossible for Indonesian education to advance. That's why teacher salaries must be decent, so that the teaching professional seen as prodigious, not a last resort.
Miss Anggia, who directly feels the condition of teacher welfare? What is the reality like, Miss?
To be honest, the gap between civil servant teachers and honorary teachers is very large. The tasks are the same, but sometimes honorary assignments are given more. Being a teacher, homeroom teacher, sometimes, and even organizer. And if welfare is lacking, teaching is not optimal. It's likely not these students can make the child trouble. Not because love, but because of tension.
What is the most noticeable impact of this, Miss?
There is many teachers also work part-time. So teaching while imaging orders that have not been delivered.
That's why it's hard for teachers to focus in math are not made right.
Yeah, exactly, Jerome.
Very interesting.
Yeah, very.
And Jerome, you often travel around school in the various regions. From your observation, what factor is the most decisive in the quality of education?
People is teacher, and to get good teacher, their salaries, their welfare must be good.
For example?
Penabur school, the school is good because the system, the facilities, and the teacher are all qualified. But yes, it all takes money, need wealth. It's different when I went to school in Lombok. There was only on-call, minimal facilities, the system doesn't work. This is not the teacher fault, but the system fault.
Yeah.
But seriously, why don't many smart young people choose to become teacher?
It's a mindset, bro. They think, why go to school so high if in the end you become a teacher? Even to if welfare is improved, the teaching profession could be in demand.
You're right, you're right.
So now the most important part of Miss Anggia first.
I want decent school facilities, digital training, and of course, child welfare.
I see this. Is there any movement from the government is left for that?
According to our Minister of Education, he said that
The allowance for honorary teachers will be increased by 100,000 rupiah to 400,000 rupiah per month.
and transfer directly to teachers' account so that it's transparent.
With the hope that teacher will become more professional.
Yes.
Wow, interesting. Let's try the issue.
And Jarong, what are your hopes?
Okay, I want to create mathematics books that used by teacher and rural are so that the quality is consistent. And the community must also appreciate teacher more than just respect them when you net their signature on report cards.
Jerome, I'm with you. I fully support the idea.
See, thank you, Miss.
Okay. Finally, computer second series. Let's become M. Well, in conclusion,
From this conversation, we learn one thing. Quality education comes from quality teacher, and quality teacher comes from welfare.
teacher, welfare is not a gift, but a foundation.
Yeah, that's right.
And Miss Anggia and Jerome Pauline, thank you for your time. And thank you for watching. See you in the next episode of Come to Talk. Bye.